Grayson, what are you drinking?
Tea.
What kind of tea?
Duridiac tea. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you know Duridiac tea or whatever can make you piss your pants in a second. Oh God, I might have the hiccups. Oh God. Oh God. Do something, Paul. Just eat some sugar. Oh hell no. Sugar tastes like old man's vagina mixed with broccoli. Okay, let me put you on my chair and I'll spin you very, very fast. Do you mind, Grayson? Whatever. I can do that. Hope that helps. Oh God. Better now? I think I... Oh shit. Not quite. I have an idea. I'll let you watch Salad Fingers on my laptop. What? Oh no, I don't want to watch this piece of shit. I don't want to watch it, please don't! Stop being a little 2-year-old. Act like a big boy. You're a big boy. Come on, watch it. If you don't watch it, I'll shove that laptop up your ass. Oh, God damn it! I know it's the only way, but fine. Oh my God, I'm fucking scared. Oh my God, I don't want to watch this piece of shit. Oh my God. Oh my God, suspense.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, his voice is creepy.
Must have sent you.
Oh my God.
Got a fish cooking in the oven, but I just can't reach it.
Oh my God.
It's right at the back.
How the fuck can you not
Your
reach it?
supple little frame. You might be able to squeeze in and get it for me. It's right at the back. I can't.
Is he gonna cry? Why would he look at a spike? Oh my God.
Make it when the red water comes out.
Oh my God, is he daydreaming? What the fuck?
Somewhere
Way up high.
there's a land that I heard of once. Hubert Cumberdale. Fancy seeing you here.
Oh my God. Oh my God! Ah! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, I'm not prepared for Jesus fucking Christ, Paul. You win. You helped me. Thank you. You're a good developer. You're a good game developer. Now, let's play Roblox now, shall we? Sure thing. Yeah.